So yeah, as Summer said, today we're going to be talking about using Face ID and fingerprints with confidence. Oh, sorry. So what we'll explore today is what Face ID and fingerprints are, why they are used, a short history of biometric security, how to use them on iPhone, Android, PC, and Mac, the pros and cons of them, and helpful tips for confidence and safety. So what is biometric security? Biometric security uses unique physical features to unlock your device. Examples include your Face ID, your fingerprint, Touch ID, and these features are harder to copy than a password or PIN. Why do phones use Face ID and fingerprints? Biometric security helps protect personal information like photos, emails, and banking apps, prevents unauthorized access. It makes unlocking your phone faster and easier, and it reduces the need to remember passwords. So, understanding Face ID. Face ID uses the phone's camera and sensors to map your facial features, recognize your face when you look at your phone, unlock your device securely, and it even works with glasses, hats, or different hairstyles. So, how does Face ID work? Face ID scans your face using infrared technology, creates a secure digital map of your face, matches it each time you unlock your phone, and then your actual photo is not stored or shared with other people other than the database itself. How do fingerprints work? Your finger touches a sensor and the device reads your fingerprint pattern. If it matches, the device unlocks. And even identical twins have different fingerprints. So to get Face ID on phone, if you want to follow along, I'll give you a second to open your phone. So you want to go to settings, tap Face ID and passcode, as you can see over here, and then follow the instructions on the screen to, and then look at your phone and move your head slowly, pretty much. All right. So to enable fingerprints on Android, you open settings, tap security and privacy or biometrics, select fingerprint, and then place your finger on the sensor several times. And you can also add more than one finger. So for PC and Mac computers, the Windows PC uses Windows Hello, a face or fingerprint, as you can see over here. And then MacBooks use Touch ID, uh, set up through settings and then system preferences. So helpful features, unlocking your device, signing into apps, approving purchases, and filling in saved passwords. These are all features that could be applied when you enable Face ID or fingerprint. Uh, and then these features save time and reduce typing ultimately. So does it cost anything? Face ID and fingerprints are free. It's included with your device, which means no monthly subscription. And some device cost examples are smartphones, vary by model. In Canada, it's $0 for biometric features. In the US, it's zero extra for biometric features. So as you can see, it's relatively free. Once you have a device that could use it, obviously. So the pros and cons of using Face ID and fingerprint are that it's easy to use, fast access, and more secure than passwords. The cons are that it may not work if the finger is wet or or your face is covered, and it also requires a backup pin. So let's go through biometrics versus passwords. Biometrics are faster and harder to guess, while passwords are easier to forget and can be stolen or guessed. The best option is to use both together.